What's going on, guys? Welcome to Cook, Eat, Repeat. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and today I want to pull a Todd Tovin and shout out.
Okay.
That dude shouts out more than any.
He loves
out-shouter.
Shout! Shout! Shout at the devil! I was gonna say, let it all out. I was gonna go a different route.
See, that's where I like mine better.
Well, you...
I never considered those two songs so similar. Here we are, making shenanigans. Should we just do it the right way?
Let's just kick
All
this
right,
off.
this is a really fun video. So one of the things we love as cooks, CJ, Betty, Todd, we love seeing you guys cook the stuff that we make, but we also love seeing you guys cook the stuff that you make. And every once in a while, we get crazy inspired. Yeah. And I was this week, Mr. Stu BQ. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen.
Stubby Q.
Where are you?
We need some help from you now.
That just came to me. I'm sorry.
Is it going to be a music episode?
Yes.
It's probably going to be a music episode. Maybe we should switch. Your show is all movie quotes. Mine is all
Okay,
songs.
fair enough. We can do that.
So Stu-B-Doo-B-Q. I can't do it now. Sorry, buddy. Dude, your sandwich looked amazing. Can you put it on the screen?
Yes, I
Just
can.
have it like right up here. You need to be bigger.
A little bit bigger.
This
A little bit bigger.
masterpiece. Bigger?
Bigger. There we go.
This masterpiece is a masterpiece. I am a huge fan of this sandwich. Thank you so much for posting. So today I wanted to make my own version. I'm gonna add a few little things. Actually, I don't know exactly how you cooked it, but I'm gonna do my best to make it look as amazing as yours. So we ready for this?
Let's do it, buddy.
This is a steak pizza, a pizza cheesesteak.
Yeah, there you go.
He's from Philly, so it's not technically, I don't know all the rules. I'm sorry.
I
It's
don't
a delicious sandwich.
Yeah, well, ring the bell. Let's not offend anybody with
Here we go.
Philly business.
Any funny business.
Yeah, that too.
Let's do this. Now this one really is pretty amazingly simple. Just from looking at the picture, it's only got a few ingredients and they're all amazing. Simple and easy. So let's get started. If we're gonna talk about cheesesteak, we gotta talk about ribeye. So today I have a beautiful boneless ribeye. Some would call it a rib steak because technically this is the rib eye section.
Gotcha.
And CJ, what is this called?
That's the
You
decal.
can yeah!
That's the decal.
That's the decal.
This
Actually,
this ribeye has an
huge
absurdly
decal.
large decal.
that is an impressive decal, if I do say so
If I've ever
myself.
seen a larger decal in my life, I would be shocked.
I have never seen a more impressive decal. So we're gonna get some oil on all sides, and I'm gonna hit this with some of my steakhouse. I'm gonna be pretty generous with this. You know what I might do?
What?
I might pull a CJ Frazier and do a post-dusting in a minute.
I think that's probably a wise choice.
Is that wise?
Yeah.
Here we go. Some steakhouse on our steak. Beautiful. Now we're gonna go over to, I'm on my 36. This is the OG. I'm a huge fan of this one. No matter which unit you have, you can definitely make this same beautiful recipe. So I've got it pretty hot. I'm gonna go down. We're gonna get a really great sear on that. All right, let's let that cruise for just a bit. Basically what we're looking for is that beautiful Maillard reaction, that crust. We're not cooking this all the way through because we're gonna slice it later, but we're gonna let that cruise for just a bit.
Okay.
Pretty straightforward so far.
Pretty straightforward.
2 ingredients.
Okay.
All right, let's keep cruising on some of our toppings. So I have some Roma tomatoes. You can use any tomato that you like. These Romas are just really nice because of their size and also their texture. I've always found them to be a touch more firm and a little bit more on that beautiful acidic side. You know, tomatoes have a lot of acidity, right, CJ?
Definitely. Which is weird to me, but yeah.
Oh, they're fantastic and wonderful. We're gonna slice these pretty thin. I feel like that's pretty good. That's pretty cool.
Okay.
You okay with that?
That's all right.
I'm okay with that. We're also gonna take some fresh rosemary. Rosemary.
Wow.
Look at me. Look at us.
Yeah.
Look at us.
Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us.
Huh?
Who would have thought?
Not me.
I'm gonna take some fresh oregano, or oregano, CJ.
Right. That too.
I don't want to chop it up too much because I want those big, beautiful pieces of herbs. But before I do that, I'm also gonna do a little bit of basil.
Just gonna mix that in there and kind of chop all together.
Yeah, we'll put it all together. It's all going in the same place anyway.
All right.
It's a real rough chop. We don't want them too small. I like that. Some big pieces, some small pieces. Beautiful. Now let's talk about the other ingredients we're going to be using. We've got some mozzarella, of course, and some pepperoni. Now, if you buy those little, what do you call them? The little discs.
Yeah.
Right. It's like fat and not awesome. Buy nice pepperoni. If you're going to go to make a beautiful ribeye, cheesesteak, pizza, we don't even know what to call it. StuBQ. You let me know what to call it in the comments down below.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you're gonna go to the lengths of doing something nice, use something nice. So use a nice pepperoni, or don't. Use whatever else you like. Want to talk about bread for a second?
Sure,
The
let's
steak
hear
is
it.
still cooking. So this is not traditional Philly bread because I'm not in Philly,
And we aren't traditional today.
and we aren't traditional
No,
today, in the least.
at all. Okay.
But we do want a bread that's fairly soft on the inside. I went ahead and sliced this down the middle, but didn't go all the way through. Want something that's fairly soft on the inside and nice and crusty on the outside. That's gonna give us a really, really good product. That's all I got to talk about until the steak is done.
So ring the bell. A few minutes.
Yeah. 2 minutes on the bell,
2 minutes on the bell.
on the clock.
Yep.
Now this is pretty rare still, but that is all right. We're gonna slice these into bite-sized pieces. Now this is important just from your guest's perspective. You don't want giant pieces so the whole thing falls apart. I'm gonna go fairly small. Yeah, if you're wondering how to cook a steak, I guess you can stop the video right now
And you're
and
done.
you'd be done.
Thanks for joining us. See you in the next episode.
See you in the next video. All right, so I'm gonna cut it one way, and I'm gonna cut it the other way. We're gonna make nice bite-sized pieces here. Stu, if this is what you did, I'm sure it is. Let me know in the comments down below.
I'm sure it is, like as if you're so certain.
I'm pretty certain I saw the photo.
You know,
You ever just look at a photo and you go, yeah, I can make that?
yeah, well, you don't know the shenanigans or the wizardry of Stubby Q.
Q. Where are you? Dude, you got
Dude,
stuck in my head
and
now.
it's like no offense. I'm sorry.
No, none.
Because Scooby Doo's awesome. First off, but second
Stubby
off,
Q's awesome.
yeah, it just literally popped in my head. Didn't even plan it.
All right, so we're gonna cut that up now. I'm gonna grab my spatula and we're gonna scoot this on. Now we're gonna go back. I'm gonna do this in 2 spots. Ready, buddy?
Ready?
We're gonna go back. We're gonna make a beautiful little pile here. Let's grab the rest of it, buddy. Some more of her. Scoot that in there. Get some of the juice on there too.
Take it back with you.
Come on. Where are you going?
You're going
Nowhere.
Hey, Freak Joe! You're going nowhere!
or somewhere actually.
You're going that just ruined the whole thing.
Yeah.
All right, now we want this to be pretty much the size of our bread. Kind of make a nice little arrangement.
Kind of needs to be long and thin, right?
Yeah, long and thin, because we're gonna do it kind of like cheesesteak style. Feel good about that. All right, now with our other ingredients, tomatoes have a lot of liquid in them. I want these to kind of hit the heat first over that steak, kind of release some of that goodness in there. Beautiful.
Oh, this is already,
Looking good.
yeah, and I'm getting the smell and the aroma.
Let's go with some of our herbs.
Okay.
Really generous with it here. I like it. Now we're gonna go with our pepperoni.
Right.
And last but not least, our cheese. Now we have some big slices of mozzarella. Don't be shy on this part. What do you think, 4 pieces?
Just as much as you got.
Oh, here we go. I like it. All right, beautiful. Now we're gonna let that go down. Yeah, you know what?
Should we dome?
I gotta get my big dome. Where's my big dome?
Oh, it would be awesome if it wasn't here. No more.
Goodbye. That's so sad.
Winner, loser, awesome, chump, noob, veteran. Oh, here he comes.
I haven't even taken my wrapper off of it. Oh, if you guys haven't seen this thing, I absolutely love this thing. This is the extra large basting dome. It is wonderful.
It's quite large.
It is lovely. And it doubles as like a Captain American shield.
Yeah, totally.
Kids totally do that.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take that sticker off later. All right, we're gonna let that melt. Let's talk about our bread real quick. I'm gonna give this a nice light toast. Let's grab some oil.
All right.
Right over here next to our dome. We're just gonna give it a light toast. Not a lot.
Okay.
Let's let that get toasty.
Be back in
We'll have a bell and a drink. Ding and a drink.
We gotta really figure this out.
We got. Welcome back.
Okay.
Looking good here. Let's get rid of this dome. See how we did, CJ Frazier. Glorious.
Oh,
Glorious.
melty, yummy.
So let's flip our bread over. Get a nice little toast. I'm gonna take that beautiful pizza sauce. I like Rao's if you're gonna buy store-bought, which I pretty much always do when it comes to pizza sauce.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Does
Betty do you get pre-made pizza
She
sauce?
does. She does, and she uses Rao's. She's also done an endorsement. Hey, I don't know if you've considered this or not.
Yeah.
That's a large sandwich, and that's a lot of meat.
Yeah.
And that's a large sandwich,
This one's for me.
and that's a lot of meat.
Yeah.
How are you gonna get said large amount of meat to newly introduced large sandwich?
I'm glad you asked. Glad you asked. Now there's two ways we can do this. We could go like full-on Philly style, flip this over on top, but I do think I want to see my cheese.
I like the cheese on top personally.
Yeah, me too. So here's what we're gonna do. Oh wait, I'm gonna pull a CJ.
Oh, you post dusting.
Here we
mother
go.
mother.
I'm gonna go with some of that steak house right over the top of there. Give us some little
Yeah.
seasoning at the bottom. That sauce gives us somewhere for it to stick. All right, how is this gonna?
I don't know, dude.
I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna. We might have to do it in two actions.
Two fill swoops.
Oh, no.
Oh, jeez. Oh,
no.
jeez. Oh, no.
No, we're going in half.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wow. How convenient. Like we planned that.
Yeah. Magical. Yeah. See? No problem. No problem.
Just.
And we'll give that a.
Whoa, you better be.
Oh.
I'm gonna step back so I can see this
Wow.
fall.
Why?
Yeah.
Why do you root for me to lose?
I just love it when you fail.
Oh my goodness. I made you a delicious sandwich, and your response was, "I love it when you fail." Look at that. You
I'm
wanted to-
sorry.
Yeah.
That
Are you?
looks-
Are you?
I'm sorry now. I apologize
Yeah.
because.
Do you? Whoa.
Mother-
Wotown Records.
Mother of God.
Mother of God.
Check this out. So, well, I'm gonna, even though you've been being rude to me, I'm gonna have half for you.
Oh, you set
Can
that
we
aside
just-
for me. Yeah. Oh.
Thank the good Lord.
Great Gatsby.
That is money. Now, if you wanted to, you could wrap this up like they do, like in the corner stores, which I think is really fun. It holds everything together.
Yeah.
Or you could just
Let him be.
get down right now. Oh, wait.
Ooh.
One little guy got away.
Oh.
I'm coming home. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa. So much
Dude.
flavor. So simple. Now, you really do want to make sure you have your steak on the rare side before you cut it, so that as you cook it the second time or have that cheese melt, it's not overcooked.
Good call.
We are just in. Oh. Come on.
Get in there again. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. What do we think about that cheese bowl?
There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Stupid Q, thank you so much for the inspiration. We watch what you guys do. We see all the comments. We see all the comments.
Uh-huh.
And whenever we see one that comes across, it's just so unbelievable. You know we got to make it. So shout out to you, Mr. Stubby Q. This was an absolute winner. I got to make these again. You got to make these.
I'm gonna definitely make these.
These would be fun like as sliders, like little tiny sliders. Yeah. So good. If you guys want this recipe, go check out stew.be.q, I believe. It's on the screen.
We'll
You
have
can
it
see
up there.
Yeah. Go check him out. Give him a follow. He is an amazing Blackstone cook. Be sure to check out CJ's First Cooking Show. Check out Betty's show. Check out Todd's show. But this is Cook, Eat, Repeat. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. And here, what do we do, CJ?
We help you become
A better cook, one
One
recipe
at
at a time. And in this case, Stu's recipe at a
Yes.
time.
Thanks,
So
Stu.
thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.